Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
over Nigeria want. Today we have come to address them. And there is one question I want you to take back home today after this broadcast. What exactly did the presidency of Nigeria tell these traditional rulers that the reason why the terrorists are on rampage? The reason why those running over Nigeria, what do they want? Those of you who will go to your traditional rulers and listen to them, I want to tell you today, by what I am seeing so far, the people of the land is about to revolt against them. Welcome to this broadcast today. Some of you may call me our actor, may call me whatever you want to call me. The more you are blackmailing me, the more the craziness in me will come out. The more we are going to be coming with different things. When this power is gone, another power comes in from the above. You know that one thing about me is that I have medicine for each department. I have medicine. I have the medicine for the Fulani government. And when I want to give them this medicine, I give them very well. I have the medicine for criminals. When I want to give them this medicine, I do the medicine and give them. I have the medicine for the political leaders from those corrupt and criminal political leaders in the Southeast. When I want to give them this medicine, I give them the medicine. And I will expose them. So anybody I have remembered, you will never remain the same. Today, I am remembering the traditional rulers. Traditional rulers. And the reason for this broadcast is for you to know the reason why we can no longer listen to traditional rulers in the fight for the liberation of Biafra people. Not just Biafra. Oduduwa and the indigenous people of Nigeria. We have no regard to criminals and corrupt traditional rulers who all they do is to go to Aso Rock and collect money. And then they come back and they gather other small traditional ruler in their community. Certificate traditional ruler. Not staff, not traditional staff traditional ruler, but certificate traditional ruler. What you see today, they have succeeded in destroying the culture. They destroy the culture in Igbo land today, in Biafra land today. The traditional rulers are being appointed by governors. What is a sacrilege? What has been sacrilegious? In the olden days, when a wrong person, ascend to the stool of a traditional ruler in a community wrongly, people will start dying. Do you know? Are you aware of that? Do you know that just 20 years ago, not even too long, 20 years ago, when a wrong person become traditional ruler in a kingdom or in a community, people will start dying until that particular kingdom or community will revert it and dethrone that person and give it to the rightful person. Today, Fulani have destroyed our culture and our tradition. And that is the reason why impunity is everywhere. Irrespective of the fact that we believe in God and Jesus, and I am a Christian, I continue to take Jesus Christ as my personal Lord and Savior. I confess him every day and night. I have regard to my culture. I have regard to my tradition. So just 20 years ago, you can't just become Igwe of a community without approval of the gods. It is the gods that will give you the offer of Igwe. If you try it, the thunder will strike you right there. Today, you do not need offer. What you need is Ogu, native doctor. What you need is a certificate from government house. What you need is certificate from Umahi, Hope Uzodema, Soludo. They have now become kingmakers. They will appoint one criminal in a community, give him certificate. You are the Igwe. Make sure I win election. Make sure PDP win. Make sure APGA win. Make sure the APC win the next election in your community. And then the criminal they are going to give the certificate will now start going from one native doctor to another. It is not the power of the land, but rather ọ bụrụ anyị nwa ka a na-agwọrọ ọgwụ maka na ibupụta ụwa ndị niile gwọrọ ya ebe ka ha nọ today. Ndị niile na-ebu afa Simon Ekpa aga from one native doctor to another, from one herbalist to another, from one oracle to another. Iji unu ọ dị aṅa? Iji unu ọ dị aṅa? Ọ na-agakwa ya maka na anyị unu na-agwọ anyị ebidobe fobia. But I will tell you today, you are wasting your time. I am being protected by the Most High, the power of the sea, the power of the land, the power of the goddess, and the power that is above all power from Almighty God. So, before I can't get to I want all of you to begin to ask the people that we are doing something from the baby, from this, from that. The only thing I will not do is to come after you. But the day I will talk and the day I will ask the God I worship to do something. I don't come to do my baby. So I have come to speak to traditional rulers today. Both mandi nebu ogu na akpari, both mandi nwere witchcraft na be ha, both mandi ndị as na obo onye me he disappear. I have come to speak to all of you today. That the time has come when that power will no longer save you. I am very serious. What is coming? The people you are selling, the land you are selling, the future you are selling, they are going to rise up against you very soon. Very, very soon. You will no longer sleep in your house. I want you to mark today's date. The earthquake is coming. I listened to one Uganda man who said Ugandans are hungry and that hungry people don't no longer sleep. The man said that when somebody is hungry, he doesn't sleep. Okay? And when the people that are hungry are no longer sleeping, it means that the rich will be awake because of the hunger. Because of the people that are hungry no longer sleep, so therefore the rich also don't sleep. Because of the people that are hungry in Nigeria, I am telling you that starting from traditional rulers, they will no longer be sleeping. Because of that, people that are very hungry are all over Biafra land. 70% of Biafra youth are hungry. 70%, more than 70% of Biafra youth are hungry. And I'm telling you today that they are hungry and they are not sleeping. So because they are not sleeping, they are going to keep the rich awake. I want you to listen to me and pay attention attentively. What I am saying now is a prophecy. It may be a prophecy. It may be a prediction. I am predicting what is going to happen. What I'm telling you now is going to happen very soon. So the traditional rulers that are going to Abuja to collect money to come back and start lecturing the small traditional rulers. Believe me, As these people that you are selling their future are not sleeping, they will keep you awake. So on this note, I want everybody to pay attention to the video I want to play. It is called The Exposition of the Traditional Rulers and Monarch Leaving Aso Rock with Bags. And I said we have one question for them. I want every one of you to send this particular broadcast to your monarch and your traditional rulers, especially, of course, all of them, especially those who goes to meeting, where they are going to be called meeting, and they will be telling them what to do and all that, to watch this program and watch this video. Very important. Now let us go there. Now you are looking at traditional rulers, monarchs from all over Nigeria. Of course, not every all this warrant one and all that. This one are the like our Igbo Obio furniture. Obio furniture is here too. I want you to watch this. I will allow it to play before I analyze it.
Okay, I will. I will.
You see, Isiago from the Biafra land. I don't know, so you can identify them. Now, I am going to analyze this video. I want you to look at this man. He is carrying his own bag of money. Whether this bag contain a phone, because you know sometimes when you go to this kind of a visit, I have been there before. I have been, I have been receiving things like this before. When you go to this kind of visit, what you normally get can be some kind of promotional something. Some company will come to promote, and they say, okay, let them give you package. So they can package one phone, they can package two phone and put inside small bag and give you. Okay, it can be phone, it can be something, perfume, can be all these things. But this one you are seeing now, if it is not money, it means that the money has been punched into the account, because it can never be anything other than money. Now they have collected this money now, okay? They have collected this money. But what they will not tell you is that when they went to collect this money, whether they brought up the issue that is affecting their state, their community, their region. You can never see them discuss anything that has to do with the welfare of their people. The only thing they have come to do is to collect this money and then go and start sharing this money little by little to other small traditional rulers and tell them the message that they brought back from Abuja. As they were going to this Abuja, They did not invite the traditional rulers that they are going to give this money. Invite them to come and let us discuss which message am I going to take to Abuja to tell the president about our region. You can never hear them discuss that. Otherwise, if you are close to any traditional ruler in your place, ask them, are they aware? Are they aware that their representative, the overall, because in each state, they have the head of the traditional rulers. So ask them whether they are head of the traditional rulers, inform them, and invited them for talk to brainstorm on what they are going to take to Abuja and present to the president. No, it is the other way around. It is always going to bring back a message from the president, not taking the message to the president. Do you understand what I'm saying? So, and before they go to this message, they did not invite other traditional rulers and they asked them, which message are we taking to Abuja? I challenge you to ask your traditional ruler this question I'm asking now, whether anybody invited him to come and let them do brainstorming that this man, their representative, is going to Abuja. So now he's going to Abuja and this is what they are going to tell to the Abuja people. It is not possible. They can never discuss anything like that. The only thing you will hear is that I have been invited to Abuja. They have invited me to Abuja. And in most cases, only the traditional rulers close to him will know that the presidency have invited him. So he will just inform small other ones that are very close. Those ones he feel that have money as well. He will inform them that I'm going to Abuja. They invited me, and then they will say, okay, go and let us know what they are inviting you for. They will never convert a meeting and say, let us discuss what we are going to take to Abuja. This thing I'm telling you is the real fact. And that is where the problem lies. Traditional rulers, they have destroyed our land because these are not traditional rulers. These are not chosen by the gods of our land. Only few of them were chosen by the gods of our land. No, so all these people you see today, they are political traditional rulers. Political appointment. Just like I said, 20 years ago, 30 years ago, it is abomination for somebody to contest Igwe of a community as a contesting it as a democratic process. And all these things happened right before our very own eyes. Some of you claim you have made money. I want to come back and contest the Igwe. And as Igwe and make campaign money. They will bring money and they will begin to do campaign for Igwe. They have destroyed our culture. That is the reason why these people can do this nonsense and go free. So we have come back and we are going to take and chase these people away from our land. Believe me, all the traditional rulers will collect it from the people. The revolution that is coming will sweep everybody because people are angry. People are angry. The youth are angry. The citizens are angry. I want you to listen and watch. Look at the Ghana must go. Look at the Ghana must go. Did you see the Ghana must go? The green Ghana must go. Are they going there to do Atlogu dance? Do you think it is Atlogu dance? It is not Atlogu dance. You think it is the beat that the person have, the traditional rulers have to change? It is not the beat. This is Ghana must go. Ghana must go. And the one that carry Ghana must go is from the north. You can see his dressing. Other ones carry small bag. He is eating the lion's share. This is our Obi of Onitsha. Obi of Onitsha is a great man. He's a great man. He is not a political appointment. Obi of Onitsha is our great king. I respect him, irrespective of our differences on some issues. But look at our Obi of Onitsha. He's coming back. He's coming out from this bus with a very small bag. And of course, when the bag is small like this, it is either the money has been punched into the account, approved, or it is in dollars. You see? Other people are coming with a Ghana must go. Our Obi of furniture, a whole Obi of furniture is coming with a shiny small bag. Wine. Look at him. Some of them are hiding the bag. Because I have a camera and look at our Obi. And everybody is carrying his own bag. Efisi is not in Abuja. That is how they will go. You see that this traditional bag that this man is carrying, it belongs to one of them. When we go to Abuja, they strip them the services of having a handbag carrier. Our Obi is now carrying his own bag. Is an insult to me. It's an insult to Biafra. It's an insult to Igbo because Obi is not a political appointment. Obi of furniture is a great Igbo. But look at small bag, small shining bag they give to him. Look, this one. He is coming with his own bag. This bag you are seeing, as they are going to carry this bag, when they go back to their respective kingdom, they will summon all the small traditional rulers and give them instruction. Fulani gave them from Abuja. They are ruling your land from Abuja. Look at women bag. You know that Fulani like shiny things. You know, the real Fulani, their own is shiny things. So who knows where they sold this bag and give them? Look at it.
Okay, I will.
Look at all of them coming back. This one look like Igala king. Look like the Ata of Igala also, or somebody from Igala, because Ihaobunonubu from Igala something. You see, look at them with bags from Abuja presidency.
I will.
Look at them. And the thing that should even worry you is that these people were all in one big bus. What if they plan to kill all of them and then unleash Boko Haram to attack the bus? We will start to talk story. Our Obi of furniture will agree to enter the bus with these people, risking his life in Abuja. Abuja that is not safe. Okay, let us assume now that this one a walk ago, they have succeeded and they did not come under any attack. So they have given them the mind that the assurance that, okay, after all, we have been converting you people in one bus before. We have been carrying you people in one coaster, presidency coaster. So the day they are going to strike them, that it has been working like that. And if these people attack these people, they kill all of them. Their target is will be Obi of furniture, because anything that is going to pain us, Biafra, is what they want to do. So Obi of furniture will enter this particular bus like this, where all these people are. You see this one? Somebody run quickly in the bag. But did you see Onye Igbo there? Did you see any Onye Igbo person to come to carry Obi of furniture bag? Obi of furniture is on his own. He was on his own. But look at this one. Immediately he see the Fulani, he ran. He ran closely, which means there was a special preference given to them to even have somebody close. And when you look at the cloth the person is wearing, you find out that this cloth is coming from the palace. It's a palace cloth. But who have come to welcome our Obi of furniture and take his bag? Nobody. You see? You see? The person is still there. He's asking the other person to give way. Watching the bag. Look at the face now. He is watching the bag. This person have collected the bag of this man. But our Obi of furniture, nobody was there to even look after him. So that actually, and when they are inviting him, they will tell him, don't come with entourage, don't come with anybody, just come alone, take a flight. Some people will, our people in Abuja will be there. The people that he know, they will arrange him to, they will arrange him and they go and pick him from the airport. But look at the Fulani. There is somebody wearing cloth from the palace. Our Obi own is missing. Look at him. You see, and not only one person. You see that people were talking to him. You see that people were talking to him. Not only one person was talking to this Fulani King. Not only one. The one that has this. Let me take it back a little bit. I want people to pay attention. You see, and the video have to take him very well. Look at him. You see, this man with this cap now, is number one. Then number two, you see? Now what? See, this is another one. Number two is this. Number two is this. They are discussing, which means they are together. They have to talk and take him to where he, make sure that nothing happened to him. Look at it. They are going. Our OB came out, alone, like an orphan in Abuja. Look at them coming out with Ghana must go. Honey, this one is hiding his own bag. He's hiding his own dollar. He's hiding it. Look at him. He's hiding it. Look. He's hiding it. Did you see that? He is hiding it. Looking to know who is there watching me. Are the people watching me? He is hiding the bag. Look at him. Look, this one. This one is also hiding the bag. Look, this one is hiding the bag. You see? He hide it under his drawers. This one is also hiding the bag. Look this one. Look this one with his own bag of money. You see? Shiny bag. This one is hiding his own. He's hiding his own. Look. You can't even see his hand. Everything has covered the money and the bag. Look, he's hiding it. Did you see that? This one is also hiding his own. This one not even have shame. He has to put it under his own cloth. A whole king hiding the bag. Look at this one. He's hiding the bag. Look. You see the bag? He hold the bag inside his own cloth, hiding it. Look at. You see? Did you see the weight there? The weight of the bag? He is hiding it. This is people that have the gods of their land with them. These are the people that if you talk, they say, "I will lay curse on you. The Lord of the river will dry you. You are going to disappear. You are going to do ashashi." Only people that don't have clean hand, that you can lay your curse of you get from the native doctor and it will do anything. Okay? Because the curse you are laying on the people, you didn't get it from the staff you are giving. It is a staff of native doctor. A staff of native doctor. Arusa Pirapi. Yeah? Look at this one. Look at this one. You see? They have come. You see another one. Another Fulani have come to welcome this one. Our own OB, nobody have come to welcome him. Although we know that people are there. Of course, people are there to welcome him, but they don't have the balls to come close to the boss like these people here. Look at. There's this one. Probably from Imo State. I don't know. You people can identify him. Where is this one from? Which state? Agile. Very, very agile. You see the way he jumped down from the bus. Now, you cannot see the other hand. I promise you, there is no way you are going to see the other hand of this Igbo. He made sure that he hide the hand from the camera. Because he has calculated from outside. If you see the hand there, no call my name again. Look at it. Did you see the hand? You see? Did you see the hand? No, you can't see the hand. A guy man. A guy man cannot guy a guy.
My word. That brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.